Okay, let's head over into LinkedIn then. And I'm sure many of you have noticed the sheer increase in video content, which is now in and around the feeds on LinkedIn, both on desktop and mobile. Video uploads have jumped 36% compared to last year. So this was looking at 2024 versus 2023. So a 36% jump in video uploads. And video creation on the platform itself grew 100%. So people are creating a lot more video content. And in particular, it's the vertical content which people are creating. So this update came a week after Microsoft reported earnings that disclosed that LinkedIn increased its revenues by 9%. Premium subscriptions are passing 2 billion in revenue every year for the company. So I think a lot of people are realizing that if you are using LinkedIn from a personal perspective, actually being a premium member can give you some fantastic options there and increased visibility, as well as some great analytics. But also, if you may remember last year, we were talking about company page premium subscriptions. So those are on the rise as well, where you actually pay for your company to be a premium company. And again, you get a few extra benefits like being able to send out more invitations to people to like the page. You get increased analytics, so you get to see all of the people that are viewing your page. So if you are really using LinkedIn for lead gen, that may well be something that you experiment with. It's around £50 a month. So it can add up quite quickly. So in that situation, I'd probably recommend giving it a trial and seeing if it is valuable for you. The other big change that we've seen recently on LinkedIn is this videos for you carousel. This is a carousel which recommends different videos that you should be watching or that LinkedIn thinks are going to be more interesting for you. This started on mobile, but it has now crept onto desktop as well. So it enables you to kind of float between different videos from people that you're not already following or connected to and really discover fresh content on the platform. So LinkedIn said, following our successful mobile ramp, we are excited to bring our full screen video experience and videos for you module to the web. Now viewers can select any video in the feed or within videos for you, then swipe or click to discover more video content, whether that's on their desktop or mobile device. So they are making it far easier to discover like-minded people within your network or businesses as well. So businesses can be fed into this. And someone asked me the other day, how do I get my video to show here? Well, the key thing is you need to be uploading vertical video to your feed. You'll notice that all of this is vertical only. So if you want the opportunity to be recommended as a For You video, you need to be uploading vertical content. Some of the other tests that are happening on LinkedIn at the moment are, and this one was shared by the Senior Director of Product, who said LinkedIn are testing a new design for videos in feed to make video a central part of the LinkedIn experience. The updated design puts video content front and center in a full screen experience. So you might be thinking, gosh, this looks so much like Instagram Reels or TikTok. Absolutely. They are making it far more engaging for people to watch and consume video content in that full screen mobile view. Another director of product at LinkedIn announced that they're also rolling out a couple of features that will better direct viewers to view their profile, to view your profile. So if we just watch this video, then you'll see that when you're scrolling through the feed, if you see a video you like and you click on that, you can see much more information about somebody's profile by clicking on their name. You get their headline, you get the option to follow them, and you can check out some of their previous videos as well. So you can see some of the other videos they've created. Again, this is only showing vertical content here. So again, it reiterates the importance of uploading vertical content. And then the final thing is we're seeing some more analytics coming out from LinkedIn as well. So really interesting to see kind of how your videos have been discovered, the video performance. So watch time is becoming a really important metric across all social media platforms. But this on LinkedIn allows you to track average watch time, which helps you to discover what resonates the most with your audience and helps inform the next videos that you create as well. You've also got that more prominent follow button within the full screen video player as well. So if you're looking to create more followers on LinkedIn, then really using vertical video content seems to be the way forward, particularly with these new designs that are coming straight from LinkedIn.